Hey everyone, hi, it's me, Christine. It's been so long since I've been on social media. I just vanished for the longest time, and I thought I should come back here and say hello to everyone and let you all know why I disappeared. So, to begin with, for those of you who reached out to me to check on me, thank you so much. It really means a lot for your love and concern. And yes, I'm absolutely fine, and so is my family. So, thank God for that. Okay, so why did I vanish? Something triggered in me, and I felt I really just wanted to take a step back, and I wanted to start connecting with people on a personal level and just have that human connect. I know on social media when we post, everybody does send in messages so we know we all are okay, but there's nothing like having a conversation and bonding with someone over the phone. So a lot of that happens. Sometimes I would talk to people for hours, and it just felt so nice to have that connect again. That was one. Number two was because I wanted to detox, and in many ways, in more ways than one. So through social media detox, detox with my eating habits, detox with anything that was negative, including the news, and also the addiction of getting on social media. So it's a great platform. It's fun. I love it. I love sharing a lot of stuff on it. But at the same time, the addiction that you automatically go to it. You want to check what's going on, and it takes up so much of your time and energy. And I just felt I needed to take some time off from all of it and dedicate some time for myself, for the things I be, because in this time I did a lot of creating, I did a lot of learning, and it was so much fun. So I'm even creating my online course, which I'm so excited to be launching very soon. So I'll be sharing about that in the time that's going to come. And I got a lot of time to do so many things, so including a lot of minimalizing and cleaning clearing. So I mean, time was used well, and I feel blessed that I was able to do so much. So being able to detach made a huge difference, and it was this sabbatical that I took for I don't know how long, but it helped me reconnect with myself, and it also helped me look into the whole thing and say, okay, wow, at least social media is not in control of me. I'm in control of social media. It was empowering, it was liberating, and it felt so good. So that's what I've been up to, there's a lot that has happened. So I do plan to share everything that has happened, and also real time. So you might see some posts, that with things I've done before, but I'll be sharing that. And of course, real time posts as well. And a lot of people actually came up to me and said, Christine, where have you been? We're missing out on some of your craziness. So I said, okay, I know, I just wanted to take this time off, but definitely, I'm here now. I'm back, and I intend to be my quirky self again. So that's about it. I just wanted to share all of that with you all. And this is a time where we all need to come together. We all are in this together. So I realize, relationships are so important, and we may all have differences of opinions so many times, but what's more important is keeping all of that aside and valuing each other, appreciating each other, appreciating what we have, this beautiful planet, every little thing that we have in our lives. There's so much to have gratitude for. So it's so important to just overlook all the negativity and just focus on the positive aspects, and with people, with life, with situations, and just move forward from there on. So that's about it. So you're going to see me again on social media, and that's about it. I guess nothing more from me. Just wanted to let you all know where I've been. Okay, that was fun. Feels so weird to come here after so long. So I'd like to just, tell you all to always be happy. Like I always say, smile, sparkle, shine. Let your light shine, because we all deserve to be healthy and happy always, and just stay precious, and because life is so precious. All right? Mwah! So take care. Lots of love and hugs, and God bless all of you and your families too. And I hope you all are doing fine and safe. All right? So I'll be seeing you soon. So take care. Bye, everyone. Mwah! Bye. Love you all.